Hi everybody, today I would like to show you what I did with my new garden. So this is the hydroponic garden that you don't need soil, and then I already set up and I put all the seeds. So the water I put it to maximum, so which means 3 liter, and they come with they didn't come with the seed, so you have to buy seed. So they come with this vitamin water for the plant A and B. And then when you put it to the maximum, you have to put 1 cup of this. So 1 full cup of this is 15 millimeter. It comes with direction, so I don't know how the plant will grow. Hopefully it will be good. So basically I have like tomato, cucumber. I think this one is spinach, basil, and then lettuce, and then cilantro, and then parsley. So today is, December 13, 2011. I mean 2021, sorry. I totally don't know what the day is. And then I feel this one is like 12-inch, but you know, if you have a small counter, so I feel this actually work perfectly. You can extend it too, but you have more space. With me, I don't. So let's see how it grows after that. Kind of nice though. Hi everybody, today is January 25th and I would like to do an update on my tomato plant. Okay, sorry about my voice. I have a cold about a while now. It haven't come back. I'm pretty sure it's not COVID, but you know, whenever I get sick, it just takes a long time. Anyway, today I would like to do a review on my tomato. So this is what it looked like for a month and a half. So apparently I think the tomato that I have is basically taking, you see how many plants I have? It basically takes too much space. So I feel my auto vegetable, it doesn't even have a chance to grow. Like over here I believe I have some lettuce, but it kind of died. And over here I believe is my basil, I believe, but it dead. So next time I learn, if I do tomato, then I should not do the herb because it doesn't come out. And this big leaf over here is the cucumber. Look how good it grows. I have to trim some of them off because it just have a lot of dead leaves and everything. So I kind of trim quite a bit though, but it looked like I have about, I think this one I have about 4 different plants inside, so it looked kind of crowded. Next time I should put a little bit less. And this is how much I cut it off so far, and then I put the seed and everything. So it does, I mean not the seed, the food, the A and B, that how I show in the beginning. It actually grow quite well. That what I would consider, in Hawaii, although we have sun, but we don't have many space to grow, especially if you live in an apartment like me. So I will do another update when I actually see the fruit, either the cucumber or no. I will do another video when there is a flower on either tomato or the cucumber. I don't know why the cucumber have that little vine over there. But anyway, I will do another video for the flower and when it fruit. I think the tomato, somebody told me it's 5 months or 3 months. So mine is still way too early. Although it's early, but it's still growing really well. Anyway, keep in mind that it will take a little bit time before my next video about this whole scenario. And I think after I'm done with the next one, I will strictly do herb. I don't do the whole set like this because I feel all my other thing, it doesn't grow. And this is the air pump for the water that I don't know if you can see. You see a little bit up here. We kind of pump up the water, which will look good. And I also cut out a lot of root in the bottom. I kind of clean it up, I don't want to show the whole cleaning because it's kind of messy anyway. It's so tangling together, so I had to cut off. And hopefully with that, it will give the plant better option to more nutrition and not tangling together. And then see you next